I would say I was an average student. I was not a star student, definitely.
Pelajar astronomi Nur Adlyka 27 tahun yang mengharumkan nama Malaysia dalam penemuan supermassive black hole.
Early days, in fact, I keep failing on physics and additional mathematics. So it was not a good prospect for me. And this one particular galaxy called MGC 1448, past or previous studies have hinted that this galaxy might have an active supermassive black hole. Our universe is basically a laboratory itself, and a lot of objects in our universe undergo processes or physics processes that cannot be produced on Earth. So that allows us to study really extreme events that we don't understand. Basically, it provides us with a new laboratory to study all this stuff.